Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to choose who can contact you by your username on WhatsApp. WhatsApp's username privacy feature lets you to control who can start a conversation with you using your username. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, this tutorial will guide you through the process of finding and adjusting your username privacy settings. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to open up your WhatsApp. So let me tap on my WhatsApp to open it. Then once your WhatsApp opens up, what you have to do now is to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You can see the three vertical dots, so let me tap on it. Then what I have to do now is to tap on settings. You can see it right there. Then under the settings, what you have to do now is to tap on your profile image, your WhatsApp profile picture. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next is to tap on where you can see username, reserved username. So let me tap on it. Right here is the next step. What you have to do now is to tap on where you can see contact me by username. You can see it right there. It says contact me by username. Let me tap on it. Then under the contact me by username, you can see we have two options. The first one is everyone. The second one is people who know my key. So you can see that you can actually choose who can contact you by your WhatsApp username. You can see it has two options. It says there who can contact me by username. The first one is everyone. If you select the first option, which is everyone, that means anyone who has your username will be able to contact with you or message you on WhatsApp. But if you go for the second option, which is people who know my key, that means only those who know your key will be able to use your username to message or contact you. The second option is more like you giving the person permission to be able to contact you on WhatsApp using your username. So let me tap on the second one to show you guys. Then right here is the next step. It says username key. You can see my username key is a 4-digit key. It is 2733. So if I want to get a new user key, I can tap on where you can see get a different key. Let me tap on it. You can see it has changed to 9515. I can tap on it again. You can see it has changed again. So you can see what it says down there. It says share your username and key when connecting with someone for the first time. So the person cannot be able to contact you with just your username. The person must also have the key for the person to message or contact you using your username on WhatsApp. So you can see this is more like a two-step verification kind of something. So let me tap on save. So if anyone has my username, just my username, the person will not be able to contact me unless the person has my key as well. That means I'll have to share my key with the person before the person will be able to contact me on WhatsApp via my username. So let me tap on save key. Wow, you can see it says user key added, username key added. You can see it right there. It says username key and the key is 8985. You can see it on the right. Then down there you can see a note. It says contacts, people who know your phone number and people you're already talking to won't need your key. You can see it right there. That's a note that you have to take note of. But anyone who is chatting with you for the first time, the person will have to get your username and key. The person will not be able to contact you with just your username. So guys, take note of this. So this is how you can be able to actually choose who can contact you using your WhatsApp username on WhatsApp. And also, in case you want to reverse back to everyone, you can just simply tap on everyone. Then anyone who has your WhatsApp username can be able to contact you or message you on WhatsApp. So you can see now I've been able now to show you how you can choose who can contact you on WhatsApp using your username. So guys, do well to like and subscribe like I said. See you in the next upload.